second W. This W representing the Department of Women and Child Development, showcasing a girl child confidently stepping into a profession once limited by gender stereotypes. It reflects the spirit of equality enshrined in the Constitution and reinforces the message of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, educate the girl child, empower the nation. Currently, marching is the Department of Agriculture. Approaching and saluting the dais in the vibrant temple Department of Agriculture, proudly showcasing the aromatic treasure from the wooded hills of Central Assam, the legendary Karbi Anglong ginger. Next marching is the APDCL PM Shuriyaghad. The marching towards the ground is the animal husbandry.